life, you stood by me.
So we're at the outskirts of Taipei Medical University, and we found this Japanese cuisine area. Just got my food, super excited. It came with a wooden spoon. I honestly don't know the name of what I ordered. I just looked at the picture and I pointed at it. That's what's great about Taiwan. Another thing that's great about this place is that you can pour as much tea as you want, or as much soy milk as you want, or as much soup as you want, along with these veggies over here. Check it out. 1, 2, 3. Check out what Freddy's eating. It's good, right? Take a bite. Show us. So you know, when you ever come by to Taipei Medical University, you gotta walk outside. It's not far. It's right here. What's this place called? Hai Li Shi.